Ladies and gentlemen, for this video, we are gonna be touring our creative mode world. Ano naman next?
Hey guys, come through here. Let's show you how.
Lumalayo.
Go here, bro.
Hello? Uy, ano to?
This is our beach house. This is our beach house. And go inside. As you can see, this is our kitchen.
Aray ko.
This is our bedroom.
Bedroom.
And this is our toilet.
Pag may diarrhea si Kyria, dun siya pupunta.
Pag may diarrhea din si Mark. This is our storage. This is our campfire. And up here is our
Kave.
attic.
Itong attic. Attic. Itong living room na sa attic.
This is our living room at the
Ano
attic.
living room?
Tumayin ka.
Ayaw ko na ako na magtutur.
Okay.
Living room. Tapos eto na. Ito ang unfinished. Ito ang unfinished house. Hindi ko mga adik talaga tayo.
Yung ano natin.
Tapos
yung
yun ang
isa pa
base
natin
namin.
Base.
Ha?
Ay, wait. May ulit pala.
Ayaw ko.
Kailangan natin ng windcharge.
Wala din ako nagkwindaga. Ay, nag-windcharge.
Ulit.
Wala nun nakalive.
Mag-leave ka. Tapos, pwede naman yung sofa.
Nakaliver? Liver!
Ano ba ito? Karikot?
For today's video, we have... Nalito ko. Ano? For today's video, we are showing you our creative world based. Tumahimik ka dyan, Mr. Blackman. Okay, yan lang. Okay na. Ano, change ko camera ko. Wait ka lang. Papatayin talaga kita, promise ko sa'yo. Ay! Stop it.
Wait first.
Okay, ito ang living room. Ay, ang bagal mo! Stop.
Money.
Sige, na. Kauna.
This is our beach house. Come on, let's go inside and make a tour. This is our storage. This is our toilet. When Mark is diarrhea,
Marcus
this is our bedroom.
Marcus diarrhea. Si Kyrie
This is
lang.
our kitchen,
Kitchen.
campfire, and living room.
Liver room. Hindi tayo ano.
Living room is in our attic.
Ay.
Come on with me to we're gonna show you our
Bam.
underground base. Basic
This is our diner.
dining.
Okay na, tapos na talaga.
We are done here. So come on.
I'll try to let you go. Tara na. Oh, nice. Don't judge us. Don't judge. Kung magtutur, bahala ka na dyan. Ito ang unfinished. Itong unfinished house. Nabul niya ako. Yun ang main base namin. Isang black man. Hinahabol ako.
You're racist.
Okay. Ay, okay, okay. Gagi. Bumalik ako. See. It's me. Ay.
Isay. Come on.
Ako nga mag-tutorials ka dyan with your agrees. Ay! Okay na. Okay. Ito ang bench. Bench si Kyrie. Para those who know, you know. Ito ang entrance. Hanis. Nagpa-fire pa. Ito ang hallway. No running in the halls. Ito ang base. Ito ang basement. Kung saan nilalagay ni Kyrie ang mga bata.
Oo, tama siya.
Okay, ikot tayo. Ba't kasi nandun second floor? Hihit ako tuloy ng golden apple. Ayan ko kasi yung golden apple ko. Okay. May samahan mo ako mag-edit na ito. Okay. Okay. Hachow! Okay na.
Excited na ako.
Ito ang... Ito ang... Ano ba tawag natin dito?
Tulong!
The flower of roses. The bushes. Right, ano? Ito ang... Haba naman na itong bench. Tapos yun lang. Okay na. Nabil niya ako.
I'm faster. I'm black.
He is black.
Hindi, brown.
No, you are black. Please. Ayaw na! Ayoko na! Okay. Kiss daw! Kasi rito. Bakla na talaga. Ayoko.
Ayaw ng kiss?
Ayoko ng kiss. Kiss. Ayoko ng kiss.
Kasi sabi ko kiss. Kiss?
Ay, nakalimutan ko i-tour yung chest. Kaya babalik ako doon. Ba't ka na-creative? Ay, thank you very much. Hindi niya ako mapapatay. Ano? Ito ang creative world. Ito ang armor. Nasa choker. Siya yung yellow. Color P. Ano ito? Totem, sa ako naglagay dito. Konti lang. Tapos ito yung mga stuff. Pag ganyan na lang, sabi niya mag-lie daw kami. Uy, mag-survive ka! Tapos ito pala yung liver room. Why? Bubble. Yeah. Ito ang ending natin. Ending natin. Ha? Sige. That's all it for today. See you guys tomorrow. Bye! Sabi mo ulit yan. Sabi mo! Sino lonely? Hindi, sinabi niya lonely niya ako. He's a bully, guys. He's a bully. Hindi, he's a bully. Bullier. Bully book. He's a bully. Never trust a bully. Sinabi ko, be a friend, not a bully. Tapos siya, Be a bully, not a friend. Hindi, siya yun. Hindi. No, no, no. No.
No, no, no,
No. Kamukha mo si
no, no.
Beyonce. Ha? Yung pabida-bida na yung balad.